Hello, I'm Ed Preston with Earth and Turf. Today we're here with a low maintenance tip on making sure you change your air cleaner. Again, the air cleaner is behind the gas tank and often be forgotten. But it really isn't that difficult to replace. Just pick up the seat. You can access it in through this way. It's got one wing nut on top of the plastic case. It will take a minute or two to wedge this off. You can get it off decently and take your filter off, replace it. Again, put your new filter back on. Put your case back in. Okay, there you go. Now again, we recommend you at least check it every 100 hours. Be prepared to replace it, and if you have a real nasty job, maybe you want to check it and replace it more often. So thank you very much. Have yourself a great day.